color.
P for pink color.
P for purple color.
P for purple color.
P for pan.
P for pen.
P for pen.
P for pen.
P for pencil.
P for pencil.
P for pencil.
P for pencil.
P for pen.
P for pen.
P for peacock.
P for peacock.
P for potato.
P for potato.
P for pear.
Pear.
P for Bhavika, what are you writing?
Small P.
Small p. Very good.
P for purple color.
P for Pinkachachu.
P for Pikachu.
So what are you writing? Small p.
Small P.
Have you done? Finished? Clap for yourself.